your hair so pretty.
Thank you.
Look how so beautiful. But you need dress on. So you be pretty.
I need a dress on.
Yeah, so you be pretty.
Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys are new here, my name is Jamie, and this channel is all about maintaining my home with my 3 children. I do have a lot of hair videos on this channel, as well as I'm going to be producing more of kind of everyday lifestyle vlogs, as well as just fitness, trying to stay healthy, you know, while working from home full time. So if you guys want to see more of what I'm going to be putting up on this channel, keep watching. Okay guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. So it is a little bit different than normal videos that I've done so far, which is hairstyle on my daughter. So basically I have my hair ready to go. I just washed it, and so I am ready to start with the new Revair that I have. This is just me trying this new product out first before I try it on, you know, my daughter's hair, or even I did see people do like twists and locks. I want to try it on my son's hair as well. He has locks. So it's just me trying it first on my hair. Anytime I get a new product, I always try it on my hair first. I don't just go straight to them, because you know, you just never know. You want to make sure that it's safe for the family, and that's what I'm about, making sure, testing and making sure those products are safe first for me, and then I'll ease it onto them to see how it goes. All right guys, so I'm gonna get right into it. So I already have everything unpacked. I'm just gonna go over it real quick. So this right here is called the Wand, and basically there are 2 notches on here. So one is gonna be, well, there is the 0 is right here in the middle. So the 0 means no heat, and then a 1 means low temperature, and then the 2 is higher temperature. So there is a base that goes with this that controls like the heat of it. So it is kind of heavy, but this is the base. And this base, okay, so there's a on and off switch here, and then we have the knobs that controls the heat. So you can see that it goes all the way up to 7, and I've actually had to test it already, because I didn't want to just, you know, go into it not knowing what's going on and then try to present it to you guys. So I've already tested it, and I started it at 2, because the directions do say you want to try it lower, because you don't know how your hair, you know, what the outcome would be. So you want to start with the lower setting. So I started at 2 and I ended up at 4. And 4 was actually pretty good. I am going to start at 5 today, just because I had it at 4 and I know how it turned out. So I'm going to just see it at 5. Now it does go up to 7s, but I'm not going to do that. So that's the base there. And then it does come with its own primers. So it does produce shine, as well as for heat protecting as well. So it's 2 different ones. One is for like thicker hair, and then one, it says it is for kind of finer hair. So I'll be trying that one, which is going to be the Wave Goodbye. So Wave Goodbye is for, it says types 1 and 2, and then Play It Straight is for 3 and 4. So as you can see, I'm probably up 2, borderline 3. I mean, it's 3, borderline 3. So in some spots, but it's a 2-3. And so I'm gonna use the Wave Goodbye. Okay, so there is also a spray bright spot, and this is to provide more of that heat resistant. You want to protect it against the heat, and then it does provide shine as well. So it does say put this on there first, and then the primer. I do have these clips that came with it, so I'll separate it in 4 sections. And then I have the Revair comb, Y2 comb. I haven't even detangled, but I did read that the primers are actually good, helps with detangling. So I do have the water bottle, which I needed because the one I have now is smaller, and it's actually doesn't hold much water. So this one's gonna come in handy because I love to use water especially on my daughter's hair, to, you know, get her ready for detangling. Okay, so I'm just gonna, I have the microfiber towel I have the microfiber towel that came with the Revair, and I'm just gonna use it, you know, for my ends because they were dripping a little bit. They're probably almost dry now, but I'm just gonna kind of get this little bit here, and then I'm gonna start with the process of adding first the spray. And now I'm gonna use that Wave Goodbye, and this is gonna be for, and this is kind of how it looks. It's not loose or anything. It's pretty thick, not too bad. So I don't think it's gonna weigh the hair down. So I'll separate it, and you wanna pay a lot of attention to the ends more. Okay, so now I'm gonna detangle. I'm gonna use my detangler brush that I normally always use for my hair, just because I'm used to it. It's the Goodie, and I'm just gonna use it, which it actually helped a lot with getting it ready to detangle. So, and it's soft. It has left my hair real soft. I'm just gonna add a little more because I know up here I had a lot of falling out. My hair fell out a lot around the edges after I gave, you know, birth my last child. So after my daughter, the youngest one, a lot of my hair, my edges were falling out, and they're just getting back, you know, stronger, thicker, longer. They're actually just now coming in, but it's still, you can tell, you know, it's still pretty thin. But if you see, like here, this is how much is growing back. This is actually my edges coming back. So they're coming, but you know, it's left my hair kind of raggedy in a lot of places, especially up at the top. So I'm just gonna do this. Okay, so it's ready. I'm gonna split it up just so I can make sure I don't do no large pieces. My hair, like I said, is pretty thin, so it'll be easy for me to put thick pieces in there if I wanted to, but I'm gonna just work on little piece at a time. Okay. Just gonna straighten that out, and I'm just gonna show you, it is a little loud, so I'm gonna turn on just for now, and then I'll you know, just go quick through it so you guys can see the final result. Alright guys, so this is one side complete. So it is fully dry, like even my scalp, everything, my roots they're dry. So my hair, I haven't trimmed it in over a year. I'm not big on trims. And then also I haven't blow dried until I got the Revair. I hadn't put any heat on it or anything for almost 2 years. I mean, but I've been wanting to try this for a while now, so I do like it. The last time I trimmed it, it was not even, because I did it at home. You know, we're in a pandemic, so I trimmed my own hair, and my cut was probably layered, so it's probably time, you know, it might be time just to give it a ½ an inch or something, you know, just kind of so I probably will do it. I probably will, because look how if I do like this and then just kind of straighten it out, I might have my oldest just kind of make sure it's even, but I probably cut off that much. So next time y'all see me, it'll probably be trimmed, just because I'm gonna have her do it this time. That way she can look at it from like the back and just kind of brush it, and I'm gonna let her do it. Alright, so that's that side. I'm just gonna finish this up real quick for you guys. That way you can see the whole thing all done. I have it all, and I can have it all dried out. So yeah. Okay guys, so look at that, it's dry. So it's all dry. Thank you.
But you need dress on. So you need pretty.
I need a dress on.
Yeah, so you need pretty.
Okay. Okay guys, so this is it. Like, this is the results on, you know, my fine curly hair. And you know, I really like it. It does work pretty fast as well. So if I was to flat iron my hair, which I have not done in years, but I you know, I'm not completely against it, you know, as long as I have some heat protecting for, you know, for when I begin to flat iron it, I would use this. And even a curling iron, I have a new curling iron I've never used. I've had it over 2 years in the box, and I've been wanting to do it, but you know, I just never got around to it. It's a full process with trying to straighten it, and then trying it, you know, first I have to make sure it's dry, then I have to blow dry it, and then I straighten it. So it is, once it's blow dry, usually the regular dryer, it makes it, you know, full, it makes it kind of out here, but this right here is, you know, one step closer if I wanted to really go all the way to having a straight flat iron hairstyle. So I do really like it. I like the results, and I will be using it more often. I am going to be trying it on my daughters, both of my daughters' hair, and I may do one for my oldest, a video, a full tutorial on it. So if you guys want to see it, let me know. Her hair is thicker than mine and my youngest. She does like to straighten her hair every once in a while, so I think this would be, you know, really good for her as far as getting it prepped. And then see how straight does it actually get with the flat iron once she uses this. So if you guys want to see that tutorial, you want to see her get her straightening thing on, let me know in the comments below. So if you guys want to see more videos, you know, of my lifestyle, then just hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for when I do post another video. I'll try to make sure at least once a week, the minimum. So I'll be back with a new video, guys. So thanks for watching.